If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description. Seeing a 400 credit score can feel like a punch to the gut. It's that number that makes you think you'll never get a decent loan, a car, or even a new apartment. But here's the thing, a low score doesn't define you, and it's definitely not permanent. So, is it actually possible to fix a 400 credit score? The answer is yes, absolutely. There's no magic wand, but there are real practical steps you can take to turn things around. Let's walk through what you can do, starting right now. First things first, you need to pull your credit reports. All three of them, from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You have to know exactly what you're up against. Are there mistakes? Late payments you forgot about? Accounts in collections? If you spot any errors, dispute them right away. Getting those fixed can give you a surprisingly big boost right out of the gate. Alright, this next part is huge. From now on, your number one priority is paying every single bill on time. Why? Because your payment history makes up 35% of your entire credit score. It's the biggest piece of the pie. Even one late payment can be a major setback, so make this non-negotiable. Next up, let's talk about your credit card debt. You've probably heard about credit utilization, which is just a fancy way of saying how much of your available credit you're using. A good rule of thumb is to keep your balances below 30% of your limit. Tackling those high balances, especially on maxed out cards, can make a real difference pretty quickly. Finally, you might need to start building some new, positive history. If you don't have many open and active accounts, it's hard to prove you're responsible. You could look into getting a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. These are tools specifically designed to help you show lenders you can be trusted with credit. If you're ready to get your finances back on track, go ahead and subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense guides that actually get the job done. Look, fixing a 400 credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes patience and consistency. But every bill you pay on time and every dollar you pay down is a win. This isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. You can absolutely do this.